G'day, Mike here from agencysavvy.com, and we're going to have a little course here around Google Data Studio. I put some comments in the Facebook group the other day and asking people why you're not using it yet. We are in love with it here at WebSavvy. The guys absolutely love using it. Our clients love getting these reports, so I highly recommend that you go through this. I'm guessing this is going to be about an hour long all up, this course. I've got about 70 odd slides altogether, plus a couple of sort of more interactive walkthroughs to help you understand what it is, why you want to use it, and how to use it. So let's start with the what and the why. Why would you use Data Studio? You can customize your reports in real time and collaborate with your team live in real time. So 3 or 4 different people can all be working on the same report, just like you do with a Google Doc or a Google Sheet. You can all be in there seeing what other people do and moving stuff around. So one person can be responsible for the AdWords data and one for the Facebook data. Yes, you can have Facebook data in there. It's really easy to work with. It's also very easy to share the reports with your clients. And of course, what you're sharing is not a fixed, set in stone PDF, a historical thing that's been printed out and left. You can slice and dice this data in real time. You can change date ranges. You can have a look at different things. You can roll your mouse over charts and see what the actual data points are on there and understand what the numbers are. You can't rearrange the charts on the fly unless you've got edit privileges, which you may or may not want to give to your clients, but it is a much more interactive experience. And if your default report is last month, they're able to just change the date range at the top of the report and see what happened last quarter or in the last 7 days or even the last year if they want to. It looks great. I'm going to give you some styling tips as we go through this in a later module here. And of course, it's free. And one of the comments in the Facebook group was that isn't it limited to only 5 reports? And it was. When it first came out, you could only have 5 reports. There was a sneaky workaround for that, but it was a bit of a pain rolling out reports for all of your clients, assuming you have more than 5 clients. In February of 2017, they've removed that limit, and so now it's unlimited. Now, it's not super flexible yet. There are a couple of little buggy things or things that you go, I wish it would do that. I'll talk about those as we go through the course. But for the most part, 98% of things that you want are there and really easy to use. You can pull in data from a whole bunch of different places. AdWords and analytics are baked in and very easy, assuming that you've got access to the AdWords account, including MCC accounts, and to the analytics account with whatever login, Google login, you're using Data Studio with, then super easy to pull that data in. You can also pull data from Google Sheets very easily, and that's how you get the Facebook data in. You can't hook into Facebook directly yet. Who knows? Maybe one day that'll